Today I'm going to show you how to do a force reset on a Synoris or direct drive garage door operator. The operator I have here is a Synoris 550. This process is the same regardless whether you have Synoris or direct drive, whether it's 310 or 315 megahertz, or whether your motor carriage is 550 or 800. Mine is a 550. It's important to know that when you need to do a force reset, that it's not your safety sensors. So what you want to do is when the door goes down, if it reverses before it hits the floor, watch the safety light in that row of 5 LED lights carefully. Make sure the safety light does not come on at all when the door reverses. If the safety light comes on, the problem is not actually with the force settings. The problem is with the safety sensors, and you might need to either adjust the safety sensors or check the safety sensor wiring to make sure it's correct. The other thing that's important is to make sure that your door is balanced correctly. Force has to be reset sometimes when springs are replaced. If you replace the bottom seal on your door, or your weather stripping, or if you replace the whole door, or if you adjust travel limits, anything that changes how the operator interacts with the door may require resetting forces. Before you do though, you want to make sure that your door is balanced correctly, because if the door is not balanced correctly and you reset forces, then you're going to have premature wear on your door and operator. So to check door balance from the closed position, pull the manual release cord once. Now it's in manual mode. Lift the door up, and any of the sections transition halfway through the radius. The door should not drift either up or down by itself. So there's my third section, there's my second section, there's my, that was my fourth and third and second section. All of them, the operator stays, or the door stays where it is and does not drift up or down by itself. So now I'm gonna run it back down. If the door drifts up or down, you should have a qualified garage door technician adjust the springs if necessary, or replace them if necessary. Sometimes incorrect springs are installed on doors, which makes the doors not balanced correctly. That should always be done by a qualified garage door professional. Cable drums, cables, bottom brackets, springs, center brackets should never be touched by anyone except a professional, because they're dangerous. So I've pulled the manual release cord, and I'm just going to push the door a little bit to lock it into place. Now my door is re-engaged, and I'm going to come back to the control housing to do the force reset. So to do the force reset, I'm going to press and hold the reset button here. Figure out which is reset. There we go. This is reset. So facing the door is the left one. I'm going to press and hold the reset button for about 7 seconds until that status light stops flashing. And I'm going to release it, and the operator lights are going to start blinking. You hear the clicking. The status light is also flashing. The operator lights are blinking and the relays are clicking because the operator is in force learn mode. And now basically I have to just run the door 2 full cycles, or until the operator lights stop blinking, and then the force will be reset. That's half a cycle. Lights are still blinking. One cycle. One and a half. That's 2 cycles. Lights that stop blinking are on solid. That means the force reset is complete.